Hello my friends, it is time. It's time for a club set reveal, and I'm very excited about this one because it's pretty much a Christmas set, but at the same time it's also a year-round set. What? Are you kidding? How is that how is that possible? Well, it's true. And these little critters, well, they're not critters, well, I don't know what you'd call them. I guess they're little elves. Okay, forget it. I'm just going to show you what they are. It is called elves2stamp, and we're nicknaming them Jingle and Jangle. So if you're in the kit club, that will make more sense to you later. But Jingle and Jangle are our little elves, and the best part about them is they are Christmassy, but at the same time, they don't have to be Christmassy. Now the words, of course, are pretty much Christmassy, meaning wishing you a magical, bringing you Christmas cheer, Merry Christmas, a gift for you. And then they have these cute little hands, and let me show you the dies. Now, if you're a die club member, diehard member, you're getting both of these. Because look at this. Now we have the option to put these little dies here on their little hands, so that's going to make them pop up a little bit, so you can put these little things in their arms, which is really fun. So you could have them hold the little rocking horse, or hold the present, or hold the little Christmas tree. Again, if you're in our kit club, you are gonna love this month's kit, just saying. So we do have a couple spaces left if you want to add the kit club to your membership, because you're definitely going to want to, because I'm just thinking of one pattern paper that you're gonna go, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So I'm just saying. Okay, anyway, back to this. So back to Jingle and Jangle. So we have cute little, and then of course, so you're getting all these dice. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dies, and they are so much fun, and I have the cutest little samples to share with you. Club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? Christmas? Well, it is Christmas time. So go ahead and join. The club shipments start at only $11.95 a month, and that includes the stamp set each month. Now, most of you are in the Die Hard Club, where you get the stamps and the dies that match. So that is our most popular club. But either way, you need to get in the club so you get 15% discounts on our website and when we travel in our booth. Just saying. Okay, let me share my samples with you because they're so adorable. Now, and I have one sample to show you that makes it not even Christmassy too, so it's fun. So here's one that says Merry Christmas, using one of my card fronts for Sizzix. Look at how cute that little guy is, and he's holding the little rocking horse. And look at this pattern paper in the back. This designer, oh, this was Kristen. Kristen made her own pattern paper by coloring it, which is really fun. You're nice, I checked twice. Isn't that cute? I love that. So here's another one that says, coffee is always a good idea, bringing you Christmas cheer. Isn't that cute? So this one's really, doesn't even have to be Christmas if you just take off the Christmas cheer part. Coffee is always a good idea. And he's holding a little coffee cup. I love that. Oh, now this little guy is so fun. He's holding the Christmas tree, wishing you a magical Merry Christmas. Isn't that beautiful? So much fun. And flip it cards are so fun. They always wow people. People are always like, how'd you do that? And you're like, oh, took me forever. But in reality, as you all know, it takes what, 5 minutes? Of course, because everything is easy at the Stamps of Life. So here's another one, a gift for you. Open it up. Merry Christmas. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And here, oh, here's a Christmas one, perfect. And look at him, he's holding the little Christmas tree, bringing you Christmas cheer. Merry Christmas. Oh, and on a stocking. So these fold-it cards are perfect for Christmas cards. Merry First Christmas. Open this up. Oh, look, he's inside too. Wishing you a magical Merry Christmas. I love it. Now, if I went too fast on any of these samples, don't worry, they're all on our website. Also, club members, don't forget, those are already on their way to you. Ken gets up extra early on the 1st of each month and gets them into the post office ASAP. And again, if you're not in the club, you need to join because you are missing out. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.